everyone, welcome to the channel Just Try. Now, we in this channel make videos related to various topics, uh, usually in and around what we see. So now, in our state, in our locality, but now we have decided to start a new segment in this channel where I am going to discuss, or I am going to teach you all about accountancy and finance topics. We have started a segment over here in this channel called Acofin Avenues with Anuradha Shaha, and here we will be discussing about all the variety accountancy topics, and we will try to bring the topics back to the basics so that every person, including a person studying in class 9, 10 of ICSE, or a person studying in class 11, 12 of CBSE, ISC, or WB English medium, can also get their ideas from this channel as well. People studying in BBA, BCom, and MBA can also get their ideas, their basics clear from this channel. People studying in chartered cost as well as company secretary can also get their basics clear from this channel. We will try to cater people to the students who wants to gather knowledge about accountancy from the basic level, and we will move to a higher level of accountancy as the days goes by. So here we are going to discuss and go back to the basics for studying the accountancy topics. We will be discussing about the bookkeeping topics. We will be studying about finance and its in detail in all the topics of finance. We will be covering topics in business. We will be covering topics in commerce. We will be discussing about the stock market. We will be discussing about financial statement analysis, and we are also going to study and discuss detail about investment portfolio, that is how to save money, what are the risk factors, how to invest when we start earning money, especially when we all are considering ourselves as freshers, or say suppose we are earning some money, that means we are in business as well as along with that we are studying. So in that case we will also discuss about how we can save our money, how we can earn a good profit from whatever we are saving. We will be discussing about the topics one by one in the videos that are going to come after this video, and we will be discussing about every small points. So please let us know in accountancy what are the points or what are the topics that you all want to know from me through the comment box, and keep subscribed to the channel so that you can get all the videos when I upload the videos in my channels. Let's keep tuned and let's continue our journey in accountancy and finance topics, and let's look forward for the upcoming videos. So please like, comment, subscribe and share the channel so that you all keep getting the videos that I upload in my channel one after the other. Thank you for watching this video.